You're not bad with money. You're solving the wrong problem. There's a mathematical contradiction in your bank account. Every single month, silent. And nobody showed it to you because the system works better when you don't see it. We took that contradiction and ran it through 3 artificial intelligence systems, GPT, Claude, and Gemini, separately, with no communication between them. All 3 found the same 7 mistakes, in the same order. Number 5 is going to hurt, because it's the mistake you make while thinking you're doing the right thing, while thinking you're being responsible, while quietly losing money in a way that's systematic and invisible. If you've ever felt like you worked too hard to have this little, the audit found the exact reason why. Audit initiated. You look at your paycheck and think, if I just made more, I'd figure it out. That's the mistake. Not your mistake. It's the mistake the system needs you to make. The audit showed that 71% of people who get a raise spend the extra money within 90 days without noticing. It's not weakness. It's that the brain treats new money as extra money, and extra money disappears. Marcus drives trucks in Ohio. Got a $4 an hour raise last year. 12 months later, he had the exact same amount in savings as before. When he sat down to figure out where it went, he couldn't. Tonight, before you go to sleep, open your bank statement from the last 30 days. Not to cut anything, just to look. Visibility changes behavior before any spreadsheet does. If the problem isn't how much you make, then what is it? The next pattern is going to bother you. You got installment payments, a credit card, maybe a loan, and you try to pay a little on everything at once because it feels like the responsible thing to do. That feeling is exactly the trap. The audit identified a pattern called the illusion of multiple progress. When you pay a little on each debt, your brain registers effort. But mathematically, you're paying interest on all of them at the same time and barely touching the principal on any of them. It's like trying to put out 4 fires with 1 cup of water each. None of them go out. Sandra is a nurse in Houston. 3 debts: credit card, car, personal loan. She paid the minimum on all 3 for 2 years. When the AI ran the numbers, she had paid over $6,000 in interest and owed more than when she started. List your debts by interest rate today. That's it. Don't change anything yet. Just know which one is destroying you the fastest. Now pattern 5, the most dangerous one, the one the audit flagged as the most costly because it's the only mistake you make while feeling responsible. You don't have an emergency fund. And when you think about it, you think, I'll build one once things stabilize. That thought is the trap. The audit found that the absence of an emergency fund doesn't follow instability. It creates it. Every emergency without a cushion forces a bad financial decision. Credit card, loan, payment plan. Every bad decision adds interest that eats into the next available margin. It's not a poverty cycle. It's a no buffer cycle. Derek teaches in Tennessee. No emergency fund. Car broke down in March. $1,200 on the card. Took 8 months to pay off with interest. The month he finished paying it off, his home heater broke. Back to the card. 2 years without moving forward. Open a separate account today. Same bank is fine. Transfer $10 right now. Not because $10 fixes anything. Because the habit starts with the action, not the amount. Pattern 4 is where the audit found something that's going to change how you see your job. You feel like you work harder than people who earn a lot more. You're probably right, but the market doesn't pay for effort. The market pays for perceived replaceability. The easier you are to replace, the less you earn, no matter how hard you work. The audit found that workers with documented and visible accomplishments negotiate salaries an average of 18% higher than coworkers with identical performance, but no documentation. Same company, same position, 18% difference. Lisa is an administrative technician in Atlanta. She did the same work as a colleague for $9,000 less per year. The difference? He sent a monthly report to their supervisor listing what he delivered. She did the work. He documented the work. Write down 3 things you did this month that made your boss's job easier. Save it in a document. A value narrative turns into a raise. Every time, pattern 3 is where most people finally understand why they can never save money, even when they try. You try to save, but there's never anything left over. And you think the problem is the amount coming in. It's not. The problem is the structure. earn, pay bills, save whatever's left. That sequence is mathematically guaranteed to produce zero savings. Because whatever's left is always what the brain decides is left, and the brain always finds somewhere to spend it. The audit called this the residual structure, and it found that people who flip the order, save first, even $25 before any bill gets paid, build savings 340% faster than higher earners who don't flip it. Tony is an electrician in Dallas, made $54,000 a year and had $400 in savings. He flipped the order, automatic transfer of $50 every payday before any bill. 14 months later, $1,400 saved, the first real financial cushion of his adult life. Set up an automatic transfer for your next payday. Any amount. The automation removes the decision, and decisions are where money escapes. Pattern 2 is going to change what you think about the time you have left. You feel like you started too late. Like the people who didn't save in their 20s already missed the window. The audit found the opposite. People who build financial habits between 35 and 50 with consistency regularly outperform people who started early but stopped or lost focus. Late consistency beats early inconsistency. Every time, the brain at 42, 47, 52 makes better decisions than it did at 24. More clarity, more real motivation, fewer distractions. Karen works at a warehouse in Michigan. Started at 49. No investments, no savings. $30 a month. By 58, she had $47,000 saved, more than at any point in her life. Calculate how many working days you have left until 65. Not to panic, to see that it's still a lot of days. And every one of them can be different from the ones before. Now, number 1, the pattern all 3 systems ranked as the most impactful and the least talked about. You follow the advice. You try to be responsible, and you still don't move forward. And you think the problem is that you need more information. It's not. The audit found that the biggest financial obstacle for middle-income Americans isn't lack of information, lack of discipline, or lack of income. It's the invisible cost of making decisions under chronic stress. When the brain is in survival mode, worried about bills, deadlines, a month that won't add up, it loses between 13 and 19 functional IQ points. This has been documented in research with low and middle-income workers. You're not making bad choices because you're irresponsible. You're making bad choices because your brain is operating in a state that neurologically impairs long-term planning. The system doesn't need to conspire against you. It just needs to keep you stressed enough that your decisions are never the best ones you're capable of making. James is a mechanic in Cleveland. He put it this way: I knew what I needed to do, but by Friday night, after 50 hours of work, I just wanted to stop thinking. The audit called this the exhaustion tax, and nobody talks about it. Pick one moment each week to look at your finances. Not the best moment, just a consistent moment when you have some mental energy left. Financial decisions made from exhaustion cost more than any bank fee. You're not broke because you're weak. You were following a map that was drawn without accounting for the actual terrain of your life. 7 patterns, 3 AI systems, all pointing to the same thing. The problem isn't you. It's the structure you were handed as normal. And structures can be changed. Start with one action from today. Just one. An exhausted brain doesn't need 7 changes. It needs one small win that proves movement is possible. Because it is. Comment audit complete if this shifted something in the way you see your financial situation. Not just what you learned, but how you feel about where you are right now.